It's an incredible moment in time. We're entering an AI spring, thanks in part to generative AI reinvigorating an executive focus on what is possible. And if we take a look at just how much has changed, it's incredible. In less than 3 months since ChatGPT launched, over 1 billion visitors have used it. Generative AI is evolving at a pace faster than any modern technology we've seen to date. It will drastically change every aspect of how we work. And while we can acknowledge just how mind-blowing it is, like with all great changes, it won't be easy. There will be challenges. It will matter how you build your plan and path to harness its power. To win big, there are foundational elements you'll need in place to make generative AI safe and useful. These are foundational building blocks for basic AI and ML initiatives and are even more critical for generative AI. If these elements aren't in place today, generative AI will be much riskier, harder, and more challenging for you to harness. The other challenge you'll face is value. It will be easy for your data teams to get distracted by the cutting-edge innovations they can create with generative AI. As a leader, it's going to require you to stay hyper-focused on the top line and bottom line impact you want it to have. That is easier said than done, though. Even with vanilla AI use cases, an overwhelming number of data leaders and business execs are still struggling to showcase the return on their current AI investments and see meaningful value. At DataRobot, we found that those who focus on value and feasibility for their initial wins have a much higher rate of success. We believe similar trends will unfold with generative AI. There are 2 clear key ways to focus your team and your generative AI plans to ensure valuable outcomes: productivity and cost levers, and growth levers. A focus on this will help you map out the areas of opportunities for your generative AI use cases. Once identified, there are key steps you'll need to take from idea to implementation with generative AI. At DataRobot, we have mapped those steps out to make it clear and easy for you and your data teams to pave a path to value with generative AI. Fundamentally, DataRobot's approach is to make generative AI safe and useful. To realize value from generative use cases requires a complete end-to-end process that spans data, experimentation, monitoring, and maintenance over time. By building upon our decade of experience creating complete end-to-end value for AI use cases, DataRobot makes realizing value easy. There's a lot that leaders need to understand about generative AI, but you don't have to go it alone. Book time with us. We'll help you prepare your plan for generative AI.